Now that we have learned so much Latin grammar, if you want to sound really smart in conversation, you may want to start using some Latin phrases in common situations. Of course, everyone has heard the famous carpe diem, meaning seize the day, or canem, meaning beware of the dog. But there is so much more that you can show off. After all, remember that quid latine dictum sit, altum videtur, or anything said in Latin seems profound. Here are some common expressions. We will read them with Latin pronunciation since this is a Latin series, but English will often use its own phonetics, so you may have heard them spoken differently. Et cetera, per capita, per diem, circa, in situ, in vitro, verbatim, non sequitur, per se, curriculum vitae, mea culpa, caveat emptor, bona fide, ad hoc, de facto, de profundis, Deo volente, Deo iuante, de novo, audeamus, coram nobis, festina lente, alter ego, ante bellum, post bellum, nihil novi sub sole, semper fidelis, tabula rasa, pari passu, rebus sic stantibus, panem et circenses, ad libitum, ad rem, habemus papam, lapsus calami, exempli gratia, fiat lux, a priori, ad nauseam, magna cum laude, ex novo, urbi et orbi. With those phrases understood, let's check out some simple completed sentences. Gaudeamus igitur. Audentes fortuna iuat. De gustibus non est disputandum. Cogito ergo sum. Historia magistra vitae. Morituri te salutant. Tempus fugit. Dum spiro spero. Memento vivere. Memento mori. Ab ovo usque ad mala. Ad astra per aspera. Abundans cautela non nocet. Barba non facit pilosopum. Veni vidi vici. In cauda venenum. Verba volant, scripta manent. Alea iacta est. Errare humanum est. Vae victis. Acta non verba. Maiora premunt. And that covers the common Latin phrases everyone should know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.